Can you
hear me?
Absolutely.
XKEYSCORE is a secret computer system used by the United States National Security Agency for searching and analyzing global internet data, which it collects continually. The NSA has shared XKEYSCORE with other intelligence agencies, including the Australian Signals Directorate, Canada's Communication Security Establishment, New Zealand's Government Communication Security Bureau, Britain's Government Communications Headquarters, Japan's Defense Intelligence Headquarters. It works by injecting into the internet data worldwide, and every time someone uses the internet, it connects automatically to it. You could read anyone's email in the world, anybody you've got an email address for. Any website, you can watch traffic to and from it. Any computer that an individual sits at, you can watch it. Any laptop that you're tracking, you can follow it as it moves from place to place throughout the world. It's a one-stop shop for access to the NSA's information. You can tag individuals. Let's say you work at a major German corporation and I want access to that network. I can track your username on a website on a forum somewhere. I can track your real name. I can track associations with your friends, and I can build what's called a fingerprint, which is network activity unique to you, which means anywhere you go in the world, they can find you. XKEYSCORE also collects and processes internet traffic from Americans, though NSA analysts are taught to avoid querying the system in ways that might result in spying on US data. Experts and privacy activists, however, have long doubted that such exclusions are effective in preventing large amounts of American data from being swept up. One document The Intercept is publishing today suggests that FISA warrants have authorized full-take collection of traffic from at least some US web forums. The system is not limited to collecting web traffic. The 2013 document, VoIP Configuration and Forwarding README, details how to forward VoIP data from XKEYSCORE into Nuclean, NSA's repository for voice intercepts, facsimile, video, and pre-release transcription. At the time, it supported more than 8,000 users globally, and was made up of 75 servers absorbing 700,000 voice, fax, video, Internet companies have also encountered this problem, and have solved it by tracking their users with identifiers that are unique to each individual, often in the form of browser cookies. Cookies are small pieces of data that websites store in visitors' browsers. They are used for a variety of purposes, including authenticating users. Cookies make it possible to log into websites, storing preferences, and uniquely tracking individuals, even if they're using the same IP address as many other people. Websites also embed code used by third-party services to collect analytics or host ads, which also use cookies to track users. According to one slide, almost all websites have cookies enabled. The NSA's ability to piggyback off of private companies' tracking of their own users is a vital instrument that allows the agency to trace the data it collects to individual users. It makes no difference if visitors switch to public Wi-Fi networks or connect to VPNs to change their IP addresses. Apps that run on tablets and smartphones also use analytics services that uniquely track users. Almost every time a user sees an advertisement in an app or in a web browser, the ad network is tracking users in the same way. A secret GCHQ and CSE program called BADIS, which is similar to XKEYSCORE but with a much narrower scope, mines as much valuable information from leaky smartphone apps as possible, including unique tracking identifiers that app developers use to track their own users. In May of this year, CBC, in partnership with The Intercept, revealed that XKEYSCORE was used to track smartphone connections to the app marketplaces run by Samsung and Google. Do you think you're safe?